talk about Deep Dollars.
Deep Dollars. आजकल नमे देसी hip hop ਜਿਹੜੇ artist ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਬਾਤ।
So we're gonna get into some Deep Dollars next, and we'll continue
Deep
this
Dollars
conversation
एक नवा singer आ
after this.
rapper artist.
So we'll continue this conversation after this song. If you guys haven't heard this song before, check out Deep Dollars.
Deep Dollars.
Deep Dollars, man. About MBR Records. Okay.
I can sit here and do this all day.
ਸਾਡੇ ਦੇਸੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਕੱਢ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਫੋਰੇ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ ਸੇਤ ਨੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਗੱਡੀ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਮੇਜ ਦੀ ਬਾਪੂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਨੇ ਕਾਤੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਬੇਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਡਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਰੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਛ ਹੀ ਪਤਾ ਕੀ ਲਗਾਉਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਡਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਰੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਛ ਹੀ ਪਤਾ ਕੀ ਲਗਾਉਂ ਰੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਪਤਾ ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਲੋਇਲ ਨਹੀਂ rule number 1 is loyalty ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਉਹ ਸੀ ਜੱਪੀ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਗਾਰਡੀਅਸ ਪਾਇਓਸੀ ਕਤੂਤਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਕੇਸ ਬੜਾ ਲੰਬਾ ਸੀ ਜੱਜ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਏਦਾਂ ਬੜਾ ਪੰਗਾ ਸੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਸਮਾਨ ਵੀ ਬੜਾ ਲੰਬਾ ਸੀ ਫੇਰ ਉਹਦੀ ਸਹੇਲੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ can I get a number please donuts in the Benzo door out the window red ass says posse up with all my kinfolks big diesel trucks when we hauling up a shitload the flies we be catch me in the Bentley Continental 40 in the shadow ਸਾਡੇ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਬੜੀ say so ਉਦਮ ਸਿੰਘ ਮੰਗੋ ਸੇਮ ਰੱਖੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਿਸਟੋ 4-4 mag revolver for the logo ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਗਲਤੀਆਂ ਪੇੜਾ ਮੰਗੋ ਬਚ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਦੇਸੀਆਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਕੱਢ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਫੋਰੇ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ ਸੇਤ ਨੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਗੱਡੀ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਮੇਚ ਦੀ ਬਾਪੂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਨੇ ਕਾਤੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਬੇਇੱਜ਼ਤੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਡਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਰੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਛ ਹੀ ਪਤਾ ਕੀ ਲਗਾਉਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਡਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਰੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਛ ਹੀ ਪਤਾ ਕੀ ਲਗਾਉਂ ਰੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਪਤਾ ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਲੋਇਲ ਨਹੀਂ rule number 1 is loyalty ਸਾਡੇ ਦੇਸੀਆਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਕੱਢ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਫੋਰੇ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ ਸੇਤ ਨੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਗੱਡੀ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਮੇਚ ਦੀ ਬਾਪੂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਨੇ ਕਾਤੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਬੇਇੱਜ਼ਤੀ
What do you think about that track, bro?
It's hard, bro. It goes heavy, man.
Who was that?
Deep Dollars, bro. Rob New.
Yeah, bro. What do you guys know about Revenue and Deep Dollars, bro? MAHARAJA Sound Radio. What you guys know about Deep Dollars? What they know about Deep Dollars? What they need to know about Deep Dollars?
Yeah, no shit,
What can I
bro.
say about Deep Dollars without fucking dry snitching? Can't say much, but he's a fucking goon, bro. Shout
Robbie, man. Shout out to Robbie Hunts.
Alright. Shout out to Robbie Hunts.
Yeah, man. We're live on the radio if you want to listen to some tracks. Are we live right now on the radio? Yes, we are.
Yeah, we live right now, bro.
So, yo, Gana Vadia. Canada. ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਹੋਰ ਪਲੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਇਹਦਾ ਰੇਡੀਓ ਤੇ
Who was that?
Deep Dollars
Right. Let them know, bro. Deep Dollars is
ਤੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਲਾਈਫ ਸਟਾਈਲ ਆਤਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਉਹ ਰੀਅਲ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਉਹ ਰੈਪ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਭੈਣ ਚੋ ਅਸਲੀ ਆ So listen to these guys, man. They're fucking some dope artists out there that
I'll say this
I'm
much.
tired of these fucking guys.
I'll say this much.
Yeah.
Some of these guys are almost there when it comes to the content they're releasing. Right? It's really good. It might not be at the level to consume for everybody yet, but it's getting really good. And let's just keep pushing it forward, man.
Absolutely, brother. Absolutely.
With that said, I'm gonna get to the homeboy Delight MC.
Delight MC.
Yo, shout out to Delight MC. This guy's a fucking good man. And just straight on top of that, he's a good rapper, man. He's a good artist. He's from the UK. I don't really know how to say the city's name, so I'm not even gonna try to say it.
Put that track up, man.
Shout out to Real Like That, Delight MC. Real Like That. Let's go.
ਕਿੱਥੇ ਗਾਣਾ?
Oh, yo, I have everything needed right now. Because your live stream's going, right? Fuck, my bad. Let's track this run too.
You can save an hour live stream?
On this, I have no idea how far that goes. That'd be cool to check out though. But it only saves for the day, right? So.
Whatever, it's still a gem because we're gonna be on every day.
Right. Alright, I'm gonna cut this song off and just switch it up real quick. Come back to the mics. Alright, man, that was the homeboy, the light MC.
Sorry, homeboy.
Randy. Nah, man, not
This is
sorry.
a bro.
This is a bro?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. What track we got up next for these guys?
Yo, man.
I'm just gonna get into some Tupac. This is some old school shit. After that, I'm gonna play Deep Bass Wild. So.
Deep Bass Wild.
I'm gonna get right into it. The last time on Instagram, I had the music muted. So sometimes you guys gotta check live to hear every fucking song. Sometimes you guys gotta go on TuneIn to hear every fucking song.
Right.
What's good with everybody watching? This is Tupac, same song. Let's go.
Same song, different.
Been all around the world. Been all around the world. Been all around the world. Same song. Been all around the world.
Man, you say
We out here, bro.
Been all around the
we out here too. We out here getting it. Why? We out here getting it.
I came for the party to get naughty, get my rocks on, eat popcorn, watch you move your body to the pop song that I'm singing, ding-a-linging, funky beats ringing, everybody swinging in the place as I kick the J's, easy my style, R&B mixing it with the hip-hop swing beat, champagne in my hand, it won't be long till I'm gone. It's just the same old song.
It's just a freestyle, meanwhile I keep the beat kicking. Sweat dripping, girlies in the limo eating chicken. Who's gonna get the grease on your pantyhose? I love your rubber, move over, I gotta blow my nose, sneezing, but still I'm pleasing all the slimmies. Pull out my Jimmy, time to get busy with a Jenny. If it's good and plenty, don't you know? There I go, there I go, there I go. But I don't go nowhere without my gym hat. What I'm rapping is if she's clapping, then I'm strapping, cause I'm smarter than that. And then girlie, maybe we can get along. Cutie after cutie, it's just the same old song. It's the same old song, y'all. Same song. It's just the same old song. It's the same song.
Money big, the freaky dicky, the squeaky wicky up and down. Well, as a matter of fact, I'll be right back. I gotta take a leak. So I'm draining entertainers, but I got fame and the bases I've touched. Too much for me to try to be naming. Hey yo, he saw me on cable and grit. I busted in and I was going to win. Like Clark Gable back in Oakland, it's the same old song. The sporty shorty, same freckles and hack, drinking the same 40.
Hypothetical, political, lyrical, miracle whip, just like butter. My rhymes are legit, cause I'm a Humpty, not Humpty Dumpty, but Humpty Hump. Here a hump, there a hump, everywhere Humpty Hump.
Shut up and just listen, not dissing, don't get me wrong. But to me it's just the same old song, so just watch. Cause my name is Shock, I like to rock and you can't stop this. Tupac, go ahead and rock this.
Now I clown around when I hang around with the underground. Girls used to frown, say I'm down when I come around. Gas me, and when they pass me, they used to diss me, harass me. But now they ask me if they can kiss me. Get some fame, people change, wanna live their life high. Same song can't go wrong if I play the nice guy.
Claiming fame must have changed now that we became strong.
I remain still the
Why
same,
two?
cause it's the same song.
It's the same song.
Same old song, y'all.
Same song.
Shake hands, shout out. Stop. It's just the same old song.
Same song. Same song.
Yeah, Humpty Hump in the house, y'all. You know what? It's the same old song. All around the world, same song.
Shout out to whoever's name is Push Car.
don't know that song, you guys ain't listening to old school hip hop. That was Tupac. Same song with the Digital Underground. So, what else you gotta talk about, man? We talked about Joe Budden. We talked about Migos. We talked about a lot of the shit that's happening in the NBA on the podcast, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we definitely want to give a shout out to Shibani for sharing the podcast, watching the podcast, giving us a beautiful tweet, sending us love. And
Shibani,
kisses,
mere
all that shit.
sapno ki rani, you know?
Straight up, bro. I'm gonna make a song about you. But yo, what do you think about Black, man? Because you ranked Black as your favorite album of the year, bro.
I think he's amazing.
Yeah, man. I agree. What's your favorite Black song?
X Calling.
That's fuck, because isn't that a Future song?
I don't know what song it is.
I think it's a Future song.
I don't
I
know.
think that beat is a Future beat. That doesn't take away from the song though, bro. I'm just asking because I was wondering if it was myself.